Hello, this is Opinion Radar. If you've ever spent hours cutting perfect 45-degree miters only to have them shift during glue up or end up with unsightly gaps in the corner, you know how frustrating trim work can be. Today, we're looking at a tool that promises to take the pain out of miter joints, the SKOOL Miter Max Corner Clamp. Priced at $51, it's a specialized clamp designed to make assembling picture frames, crown molding, door casings, and other 90-degree joints faster and more accurate. I've been testing it on a series of home projects, and it's turned a process I usually dread into one that's, dare I say, almost enjoyable. It's not just about convenience. It's about achieving results that look clean, professional, and consistent every time. In the coming minutes, I'll walk you through how it's performed under real conditions, what it handles well where it has limits, and whether it's worth the investment for DIYers and woodworkers alike. Let's dive in. Let me tell you, if you're diving into a trim or casing project, whether it's sprucing up door frames or installing window casing, having the right tools can be the difference between a weekend warrior result and something that looks legit. That's where the SKOOL Miter Max Corner Clamp comes in. I've tried a few different methods over the years: spring clamps, tape, even bracing with nails, and let's just say, nothing gives you a clean, tight miter joint quite like this cam action clamp. The design is simple. You position your two mitered pieces, set them into the clamp, and squeeze the handle to lock them perfectly at 90 degrees. The built-in alignment guides take the guesswork out of it, and once it cams over, the joint stays put. I used it on a set of interior door casings recently, and the precision was spot on. No shifting, no gaps, just crisp corners that made the whole project feel professional. One of the things I appreciate most is how quickly it speeds up the workflow. Normally, with miter joints, you're juggling clamps, glue, alignment, and pressure from multiple directions. It's frustrating, especially when one side slips just as you think you've got it. With the Miter Max, it's basically one motion. You prep your cuts, apply glue, drop them in the clamp, and lock it. I even used it for a porch pet barrier frame made from 3.5-inch wide softwood, which is wider than a lot of corner clamps can handle. It fit perfectly. The pins on the clamp engage into the wood to keep everything secure, and while they do leave small indentations, something to keep in mind if you're working with fine finished wood, on unfinished or painted trim, it's nothing a little wood filler can't fix. Honestly, the trade-off for holding the joint rock solid during glue up is totally worth it. Now let's talk strength and build. Out of the package, the clamp feels solid, no flimsy plastic or weak springs here. The mechanism has a confident mechanical snap when it locks, and you can tell the materials are up to the task. In my testing, it pulled the miter joints perfectly tight along their entire length, and the resulting bond, once the glue cured, was impressively strong. I didn't even use biscuits or splines, just glue, and the joint held up well under light stress testing. That said, I will be fair. While it works great for standard interior trim, I can see how someone working with denser hardwoods or larger frames might want a bit more clamping force. A few times, especially with slightly uneven surfaces, I felt like it was at the edge of its gripping capacity. It gets the job done, but it's not overpowered. If you're doing heavy-duty framing or outdoor structures, you might want something beefier. Still, for 95% of home trim work, it's more than capable. Another point worth mentioning is the overall value. At $51, it's not exactly cheap for a single clamp, but when you consider what it replaces, multiple clamps, alignment jigs, time spent reworking bad joints, it starts to make sense. I've seen similar tools like the ones made by Chestnut priced twice as high, so this feels like a smart alternative. I bought one to start, but after using it on a few test joints and seeing how reliable it was, I ordered a second right away. Having two lets me move faster, and if I'm tackling a bigger project, like a picture frame window or built-in shelving, I'm already thinking of getting a full set of four. It's that kind of tool, once you use it, you'll wonder how you managed without it. And despite that initial sticker hesitation, I now consider it one of the better investments I've made in my home workshop. Durability seems solid, but it's worth noting that the build quality, while good, isn't flawless. I checked the alignment pin holes closely after a few uses, and they do seem a bit large on some units, loose enough that the pins wobble slightly if not fully seated. It hasn't affected performance yet, but over time, that could lead to wear or reduced accuracy. Nothing catastrophic, but something to keep an eye on. Also, the size of the clamp limits you to frames that fit within its jaw opening, so very large or thick casings might be a stretch. But again, for standard residential trim, 1x6 boards, standard moldings, window, and door surrounds, it's spot on. I'm using it mostly for painted MDF and pine, and in that context, it's performing flawlessly. Overall, the SKOOL Miter Max corner clamp has earned its place in my toolkit. It delivers consistent, accurate results with minimal fuss, and while it's not perfect, no tool is. It hits the sweet spot between performance, ease of use, and price. If you've ever struggled with sloppy miter joints or hate the mess of clamping 4 different directions at once, this is the solution. It's not a magic wand, but it's close. Just be mindful of the small dents from the alignment pins if you're working with finished wood, and know that it performs best within its design limits. But for most homeowners, DIYers, or even pros doing detail work, it's a serious time saver and a real confidence booster. After using it on multiple projects, I can say it's one of those tools that makes you feel like you've leveled up your game overnight. If you're ready to nail every miter joint like a pro, don't just square up your projects, square up your tool game. Hit like if this review helped, and subscribe for more honest takes on tools that actually work. Trust me, your trim will thank you.